everybody, and welcome to Something You Should Practice This Weekend. All right, the t-shirt of the weekend, Bob Wills and his Texas Playboys. Of course, I mean, need I say more, but I was just really lucky to grow up in a household where those kinds of records were on all the time, and they all just go around in the tape recorder in my brain, and I'm really, really lucky that I had those experiences. And it's a reminder that whatever you want to sound like, make sure that that's what you're putting in. What you put out is based entirely on what you're putting in. So go listen to a Bob Wills record. You know, it's a great way to spend the weekend. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe, and also go to fiddlestar.com to check out what I'm doing with Zoom workshops and custom lessons and all that fun stuff. I've added some new custom lessons recently. Cheyenne, great bluegrass classic, and a beautiful chestnut waltz, and the Blackest Crow. So there's all sorts of fun stuff up there. You can check that out at fiddlestar.com. Let's get into what we're going to do this weekend. We are going to slide into second position and practice first finger intonation in second position by using an open droning string above. Okay, that sounded very technical. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go like this. We're just going to slide in. So you're going to take your first finger on the A string, and you're going to slide it up to where your low 2 used to be. So your low 2 is a C note, like that. And we're going to take our first finger and slide up into that same note, and then play the open droning string with it. Okay, then we're going to try it over here for the F note. So droning the open A, and then the B flat droning the D. Why are we doing this? We're doing this because second position is awesome, and you should be more excited and encouraged to use it more often. So for the key of C, key of F, I really spend the majority of my time when I'm playing in those keys in second position. And so if you've got a good anchor point, then you're going to be more likely to play in it. So sliding in gives you two things. It gives you a better shot at playing it in tune, and stylistically it just sounds more accurate. So practice that this weekend. Then you can just sort of take off from there. Okay? So go play in C and F. Practice sliding up into that first finger where the low 2 used to be, and use the open droning string to help you hear when it's in tune. That's the plan for this weekend. Don't forget, go to fiddlestar.com, check that out, and go listen to a Bob Wills record, and happy fiddling, everybody.